Let's just do an entire compilation of me yelling about coffee. Yeah, that'll be fine. What's the worst that could happen? Famous last words. Yeah, that's perfect. Not at all. Coffee is life. Write it down. There's no signal. Is the piano on? Okay, well, that's exciting. Make things sound like things. Do playing and musicking. Java. Oh. Is there no power? There's power in the blood. Hey! Woo! Yeah! Praise God, that is loud. Okay, I'm getting coffee.
Wait, I'm gonna do it. Ready?
We know what we're doing, yes we do. We know what we're doing, how about you? What is happening? Do singing! Don't look at me in that tone of voice. It's the breakfast of champions right there. Banana and a donut. Jesus, sound systems, and coffee. 3 keys to revival. Write that down.